So to build an API, let's within the main package, let's just have a message controller class. And here, let's annotate this with @rest controller and @request mapping. And this will be API v1 and then messages. And let's have one single method here. So public and then void. And this will be publish. And we're going to receive a message request. So in our case, let's just have a record. So class, and this will be message and then request. And this will be a record. And inside, I'm going to say message. So now and then request and then body. And from it, I want to get the message request. And all I'm going to do is, so obviously I could structure this into services, so on and so forth. But for now, all I'm going to do is I'm going to inject the Kafka template. So here, private, and then Kafka template. This will be string, and then string, and Kafka template. And inside, I'm going to say Kafka template dot, and then send. I'm going to put into Amigos code topic, and in here, just say request dot, and then message. And also, we need to have a constructor here. So constructor, and things are now auto wired. And because we want to expose this method to our clients, we need to say @ and then post and then mapping, so that we can issue post requests against it. So let's just reload in here. And for this, you could use pretty much any REST client, but within IntelliJ, I can just say generate requests in HTTP client. And this will be 8080 messages, enter. And I think, so let's just have a look, examples, post request, and I need this guy here. So let me just take this and then go back and paste that in. And the content, so here, so this will be message, and I can pass anything. So here I'm going to say API with Kafka. Now, if I send this request by just pressing this play button, there we go, 200 status code, and open up run. And if I scroll up, you can see the headers as well as the URL. If I open up run, have a look. So this is good stuff. So listener received API with Kafka. So let's just say here, hooray, Amigos code, send the request. There we go. Go back to run, and hooray, Amigos code. So you can see that our listener, i.e. the consumer, is receiving streams of event of a topic. So we've got a RESTful API, we publish to a topic, and the consumer reads it out. So we pretty much have built a RESTful API with Kafka integration. Also, if I show you the other consumer, which is running on my terminal, you can see that here it says hooray, and then Amigos code, API with Kafka, and we are good. If you have any questions, please do let me know. Otherwise, catch me on the next one.